Before you jump into buying anything from Pish Posh Baby, there are a few key things you should know. This is the one-stop shop for baby products, but how does it actually compare to its competitors? And what should you be aware of before making that purchase? Stick around, and I'll walk you through 7 things you need to know about Pish Posh Baby. First off, one of the things that sets Pish Posh Baby apart from others is their extensive selection of high-quality baby gear. They've got everything from strollers to cribs, diapers, and car seats. The inventory is massive, and when you're comparing them to competitors like Buy Buy Baby or even Amazon, they really shine in the personal touch. If you've ever browsed those other sites, you know how overwhelming it can get. But Pish Posh Baby makes it a lot easier by organizing their offerings, and the site is designed to simplify your shopping experience. Next thing you should know, the customer service. Pish Posh Baby goes above and beyond in this department. A standout feature is their live chat, which you don't always get with bigger retailers. It's quick, easy, and personal. When you're spending hundreds, even thousands, on baby products, having someone to help you in real time can make all the difference. And compared to larger, more impersonal sites, Pish Posh Baby is definitely ahead in this area. The third thing to be aware of is their delivery service. While some might assume that smaller companies can't match the speed and efficiency of large ones, Pish Posh Baby actually excels here. They offer free shipping on most orders, and they also have fast, reliable delivery options. In fact, when comparing this to competitors, like Target or Walmart, Pish Posh Baby has a track record of getting your items to you faster, with no hidden fees. So, if you need that stroller pronto, they're a solid choice. The fourth thing you need to know is their price range. Now, Pish Posh Baby isn't always the cheapest, but they often provide better value for the money. They offer competitive pricing on high-end products like upper baby strollers, which can be a little pricier compared to other retailers. However, they often run promotions, and they offer exclusive deals through their site, which is a huge bonus. So if you're in the market for premium baby gear, it's worth keeping an eye on their sales. Next thing to note is the return policy. Pish Posh Baby offers a generous return policy, which is important when you're buying products for your baby that you might not end up using. Many of their competitors can be a bit rigid about returns, but Pish Posh Baby has a 30-day window for most items, giving you peace of mind. The sixth thing is their curated selections. Unlike larger stores that throw everything in one giant category, Pish Posh Baby has carefully selected brands and products. It's not just about volume, it's about quality. They only stock brands that are known for safety and reliability. So when you shop with them, you know you're getting a product that meets strict safety standards, unlike some of the more questionable options you might find on sites like eBay or lesser-known retailers. And the seventh thing you need to know is their rewards program. Pish Posh Baby offers a loyalty program that gives you points for purchases, which you can redeem on future orders. It's one of those little things that can add up over time, making them more competitive than other baby retailers that don't offer this benefit. If you shop often, this could be a big deal. If you're ready to try out Pish Posh Baby, click the first link in the description below to get the best trial offer and some exclusive benefits. Whether you're new to shopping for baby products or a seasoned parent, they offer something that truly stands out in terms of quality, service, and selection. Don't miss out on this. Click the link now.